Hello, my name is Prasad Ganpule and I am the creator of Leadcon, a sales companion designed for you. The most important element why we designed Leadcon was that sales is something where we work 24/7 as a sales team members, although our possibility or our chance to connect with the customers is very limited. We cannot call up a customer at 2 a.m. at night and start giving him a presentation, isn't it? So there is a very limited time scope that we have in which we can connect with a customer, where the customer is also comfortable in talking to us. And hence, keeping in mind this most important essential of time, we have developed this tool where we have automated literally 90% of the work that is involved in sales. The reason why we did it is because what is the simple formula of business? Sales minus expenses equals to profit. Each business tries to work hard towards turning itself into a profitable business. But in this whole formula, what is the first most important variable? It's sales. So first, a round of applause for all those who are a part of the sales team. So if sales are not there, from where are you going to reduce or minus the expenses, isn't it? Hence, having the right amount of sales so that you can control the expenses, and ultimately higher the sales, lesser the expenses, equals to better the profits. Better the profits leads to growth of an organization. And when the organization grows, each and every member of the organization grows. Am I right? And that's why we developed this tool, Leadcon, which is not just a CRM. CRM is just a small part of it. But we designed it in such a way that it stands as a sales companion, a sales partner for you, so that you could use the time variable so efficiently that in the same time you are able to connect with more customers, handle more people, handle more leads. The more leads you are able to handle, and if you have a conversion ratio, whatever it is, 5%, 10%, 20%, when you increase the size of the pipe of your sales funnel, automatically the conversion also increases. And I'm here to say that let me add literally 25 to 30% additional customers to each and every one of you who is watching this right now. This small training module that we have built so that you could use the Leadcon tool very efficiently. Okay, so I'm now going to take you through the 3 most important principles on which Leadcon was designed, and then we'll go on to the working of the application and how you can use it effectively. Let's go ahead. Welcome back. Leadcon, lead conversion tool, a sales companion tool, which is designed, as I said, on the 3 most important principles of sales. The first principle is knowing your customer. Unless and until you know whom to sell what, you will ultimately be wasting your time on the wrong leads or wrong type of customers. I always give this example that who would like to ride in a Mercedes? Everyone will raise their hands. But as soon as I say, okay, if you want to ride in a Mercedes, please send me a check of 70 lakh rupees. Now, the hands will go down and a very few will stay up. There is a difference between a desire and need. And you can only sell to the one who has it as a need. Okay? So that's the most important factor of sales. Hence, knowing the customer, like whether this customer really needs our product or service, where would they be going to buying it, what are they going to do with it, are you in a position to deliver it to them, and so on and so forth. There are so many different criteria and parameters that you can put down and jot down so that you know on whom you are going to spend your time on, because your time is extremely precious. The more time you save from doing wrong things and spend it at doing the right things, the more is a possibility of increasing your conversion ratio and also increasing the amount of sales that you are in position to do. Hence, knowing your customer, the first most important principle. The second most important principle is sharing information with the customer. Chalo, let's consider that you send me a 70 lakh rupees check for buying the Mercedes. But is there only one type of Mercedes? No, right? There are so many different variants. There is color variant, there is engine variant, there is interiors, accessories, this, that, auto one, geared one, so many different parameters. So, how are you going to take that decision of which one to buy? You can only take that decision when I will share the information with you, when I will share the brochure with you, when I will send you maybe videos, graphics, customer testimonials of others who have already bought it, or even for that matter, a technical specification sheet which gives you a better understanding of what you are or what you would like to buy in. Only when I share this information with you is when you would be in a better position to tell me that, okay, this variant or this version is what I'm looking forward to buy, isn't it? Hence, sharing information with our customer is extremely important so that he or she can take the buying decision. And that's what the second principle is. And what is the third most important principle? Is being available for the customer. Because if you are out of sight, you are out of mind. And when you are out of mind, your competition takes care of the customer. So just imagine that whatever time that you have spent on nurturing the lead, being available for them and, sharing information with them, knowing them better and so on and so forth. But when it was a time of buying, you were not available or you were not there for the customer. Who is going to get this lead then? The competition. Hence, being available for the customer is the most essential aspect on which Leadcon was developed. And hence, it is also a mobile app. The reason being that mobile is as good as the sixth part of our body. We wake up with a mobile in our hands to check the WhatsApp messages, and at the same time, before sleeping, we go and check all the different groups on WhatsApp. So it's the tool which is always with us, and being a sales team member, we are always available, or we should always be available for our customers whenever they need it, because that's what brings in sales. So these are the three most important essentials or the principles on which Leadcon was developed, because 98% of the sales cycle is nothing but follow-up, is nothing but building the relationship and selling to the customer. So, best of luck using Leadcon. Best of luck for your sales, because now you have a sales companion to ensure that you become a sales maverick. Thank you so much for watching. We are there just a call away to ensure that we build the sales and organizations which are profitable. Best of luck.